You've probably been told to dress for your body type, to hide this and highlight that. But if you've ever tried to follow those rules, you'll know that it can make getting dressed feel way harder than it needs to. So here's the truth. You don't need to dress for your body type to look put together. Today, I'll show you what body type rules don't work for real life, what actually makes an outfit look good, and how to dress in a way that feels effortless, not restrictive. Let's talk about the classic categories. You have your apple, where you're a little bit more rounded in the middle. You have your pear, where you've got wider hips and a smaller bust. Your hourglass, where bust and hips are the same, but you have a small waist. And then rectangle, where you're kind of straight up and down. The idea is, if you know your shape, you'll know what to wear. But here's the problem. Most people don't fit neatly into one category. And even if you do, your body changes. Hello, perimenopause. Trends also shift constantly. And so what's available may not suit what you want. So now you're trying to follow rules that don't actually match your real life. And suddenly getting dressed feels like solving a puzzle every morning. That's the last thing we need. Instead of focusing on body types, focus on this: proportions over shape. Outfits look good when proportions feel balanced. So examples are fitted top and looser pants, an oversized sweater with a slimmer bottom, or a crop jacket with a high-waisted pant. And you're not dressing for your body type, you're adjusting the visual balance of your outfit. Small changes can make a huge difference. So you can look at your sleeve length. Where is that hitting you on the arm? Your pant rise, where your top ends of a shirt. If it hits the widest part of your body, it will feel off, even if it technically fits. Here's what actually works in real life. Build around what you already wear. Look at your most worn pieces. You're wearing them for a reason, so figure out why they work. Is it the length? Is it the fit? Is it the fabric? That's your blueprint, not a body type chart. Comfort equals confidence. If something technically flatters you, but you feel uncomfortable in it, you won't wear it. And that's the real problem. Nothing ruins an outfit like pulling or tugging because it doesn't feel right. We want to use outfit formulas instead of reinventing the wheel every day. So you have a jean, a tee, and a layer. A trouser, a knit, and a coat. A dress with a structure piece. Then adjust the proportions within that. Make small adjustments instead of overhauling your wardrobe. Try a tuck, roll a sleeve, add a layer. Those small shifts change your proportions instantly. You don't need to hide your body or fix your shape or dress to look smaller. The goal is simpler than that. You want to create outfits that feel balanced, easy, and repeatable. When your wardrobe works, you're not thinking about your body all day. You're just getting dressed and moving on. If this helps simplify getting dressed, make sure to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's one outfit you always feel good in? Thanks for popping in.